Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is sponsored by afastress.com, and today we are going to unbox the best monster truck I have ever seen. It's hyperactive Stunt RC car. It has suspension, it is 4x4, it has 2.4 GHz remote control, it comes in 3 colors. We can drive it high, we can drive it low, and it's a double-sided vehicle. So you will get 10% off when you will use the code hidden in the video on all the products that a fast price have. So must visit their website. Also have a preview right here on my right side, and they have amazing products. So see the preview, so you can buy any of them. So without wasting time, let's start unboxing.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't